the repeal of the Bodh Gaya Temple Committee Act of 1949, which denies Buddhists the fundamental right to administer our most sacred pilgrimage site in India. India is a secular nation, a land where every religion has the right to exist and flourish without any external imposition. Secularism does not mean the state controls the religious institution. Secularism means that the state ensures that every faith can govern itself freely. And our constitution upholds this principle under Article 29. However, in Bodh Gaya, this fundamental right is being violated. The Bodh Gaya temple, the most sacred site for Buddhists all over the world, is not under the sole administration of Buddhists. Instead, the Bihar government continues to uphold a colonial-era law that mandates Brahman Pandits majority representation in the temple's management. This is injustice and anomaly that happens nowhere else in the world. Now, I would like to explain a little bit about why this BMTC Act of 1949 is unconstitutional in nature. First, this BMTC Act violates the religious autonomy. No other nation group in India or anywhere in the world has to share the control of their holiest shrine with any other religion. For example, Hindus manage temples, Muslims administer mosques, Christians govern churches. So why should Buddhist community be denied this basic right? And second is the colonial legacy. The act was drafted in 1947, way before our Constitution of India came into force, when our Buddhist representation was weak. But today, Buddhists worldwide recognize this injustice, and we question, why should we follow a law that is outdated and discriminatory? And third and the foremost important point is that this BMTC Act of 1949 is against the spirit of Article 26 of the Constitution. This Article 26 guarantees every religious domination the right to manage its own affairs and the institutions freely. The Bihar government's control and forced inclusion of non-Buddhists in the temple administration violates this fundamental right. Nowhere in the world is a major Buddhist shrine controlled by any other religious group. Religious sites are always administered by the people of that faith only, all over the world. Why should Bodh Gaya be an exception? So we demand that Bihar government repeal the BMTC Act of 1949 and allow Buddhist community to manage and administer our own most sacred sites. This is not just a religious issue, it's a constitutional issue, it's a human rights issue, and a moral issue. Today, voices are rising from all over India and across the world, from Leh to Bodh Gaya, from Ladakh to Sri Lanka, Japan, Thailand, United States of America, and all other Buddhist countries in the world. We are witnessing a global outcry. This hunger strike in Bodh Gaya is a peaceful and a just protest, seeking only what is rightfully ours under the law. So we call upon the central government, Prime Minister Mr. Narendra Modi ji, and the Ministry of Minority Affairs to kindly intervene in this. The Government of India, which upholds the Constitution, must issue a statement in favor of Buddhist rights and direct the Bihar government to restore Bodh Gaya to its rightful caretakers, the Buddhist community. Today, Leh stands with Bodh Gaya, Ladakh stands with Bodh Gaya, the entire Buddhist world stands with Bodh Gaya. This is a moment for justice, for our heritage, and for the rightful autonomy of the Buddhist faith. We also call upon every Indian who believes in fairness and constitutional rights to stand with us today. This is not just a Buddhist issue, it's an issue of justice, of equality, and of upholding the secular fabric of the country.